Narad Muni advises through Srimad Bhagavatam says that you have got this human form of life. Now you have no necessity for finding out where is your food, where is your shelter, where is your sex satisfaction, where is your defense. This is not your problem. You should try for that thing. Means the thing which will give you relief from these material necessities of life. That is the advice. We are mistaken. We are, in this morning walk we saw that such a big nation, but the problem is food problem. Early in the morning at 6 o'clock they are going to work. They are going to work. Why? Now, for finding out the necessities of life. So what is this civilization? Early in the morning, 6 o'clock, according to Vedic civilization, one should rise early in the morning and chant Hare Krishna, perform Mangalarati, worship the deity. This is the morning business. But the richest nation of the world, they are going to work at 6:30 for earning that bread. Is it very good progress of life? And the whole day they will have to work. Not only here, everywhere. For earning their daily bread, they have to go 50 miles, 100 miles away from home. And every city, in India also the same thing, in Bombay, they are coming 100 miles off and hanging in the daily passenger railway. Very serious condition. And it is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam that a human being at the end of the Kali Yuga will have to work. They are already working like an ass. And actually they will have to work like an ass simply to get their bread. The progress will be this. And not only that, the foodstuff, especially the sattvic foodstuff, like fruits, vegetables, milk, rice, wheat, sugar, these things will be not available. Completely stopped. So, gradually we shall make such advancement. I have seen practically, I went to Moscow, and at least for us, it was very difficult to live there. There is no rice supply, there is no wheat supply, very rarely, no vegetables, no fruits, some rotten fruit like raspberry. And so, at least for us it was very difficult. Of course, milk is available there. And flesh, that you can have as much as you like. So, that is not human life. Human life is here described. That Kaviraj Goswami is Mat sarva sapadam bhojo radha madana mohano. Our only asset should be the lotus feet of Krishna along with Radharani. Madan Mohan Krishna is so beautiful that he is more attractive than the Cupid, Madan Mohan. Madan means Cupid. Cupid is supposed to be the most beautiful person within the universe. Now Krishna is still more beautiful. Kandarpa koti kavaniya vishesha shobham. That is described in the Shastra. And when Krishna was present, we know from the Shastra, from the evidences, that Krishna was attractive to so many gopis. The gopis were the most beautiful women, and Krishna was attractive to them. So just imagine how much beautiful was Krishna. Not only to the gopis, there were 16,108 queens of Krishna. Therefore his name is Krishna. He is attractive to everyone. Jayatang surito panga mamo. So why he should not be attractive to fallen souls like us? So that is the position of